Okay, this is part 3. Right after. No, why can't I do that? Oh my god. No, don't make me die. Okay. Why am I still taking damage? Okay, hopefully this is all enough space. No, 27, no. 3. Yeah. I think that would be enough space. Oof. Okay. Oof. Oof. Yeet. Dang it. Yeet. Hello. Okay, so let me spell this here. Dang it, I spelled hello wrong. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. As soon as I can guess, we can go back over here. Nope. God. I'm gonna put I am a YouTuber and I'm recording. I am a YouTuber and I am recording. I am a YouTuber and I'm recording. Is Obby. Oh. Sorry. I don't know if people like people talk. No. Okay. I want to tell you guys that this is not my real voice. The mic make my voice sound different. So yeah. Yes. Where are the bear traps? You want to step? Want to step on the bear traps? Over here. Okay. Oh guys, 10 more seconds until I have to make the part for you. Okay. Hi, I'm Daniel.